So, how to fix Telegram login problem in less than 50 seconds. Hello guys, welcome back to this brand new video. I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easily and fast. So first thing you wanna do is just open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. Open the apps manager again right here. Go to the Telegram app and then click here on this force stop. After you click on the force stop, you have been doing now the first step. The second step is go to the power usage details and do the same thing right here. Click on force stop and then go to the app launch option. Make sure that all those options are enabled. Click OK. Now go back, restart your phone, reopen Telegram, and congratulations. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching the video until the very end. See you later. Thank you very much.